Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 709. The noun phrase today is a pinch of something. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot right now. Let's go right to it. Someone says a pinch of something or just a pinch of something for emphasis. It means a very little or a small amount of something. It's often used in recipes, so you often find it there. The term pinch originally meant to grab between your thumb and finger. In the world of cooking, it is used to mean an imprecise amount, especially of salt and pepper. So it's just that little amount, however much you grab between your thumb and your forefinger, that's the amount. Okay, and we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. You should add a pinch of chili powder to spice it up. So this is with cooking, of course. Number 2, your speech is a little too serious. You should try to add a pinch of humor here and there. So, of course, by extension, you can use it in other areas besides cooking. Number 3, it needs a pinch of color to brighten it up. So, a little bit. And number 4, she wants to add a pinch of rum to that dessert. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it's clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.